Suppose a circle centered at the origin with an angle measure theta radians in standard position. So there you is. The terminal ray of the angle intersects the circle at point P. There you is. Q also lines on the circle. Hi, Q. The coordinate P, or the coordinates of P, are x and y. The coordinates of Q are x and negative y. All right. Which of the following is true about the cosine of theta? Well, whenever we have something where the unit circle is not giving you a radius of 1, we know that we have r cos theta, r sine theta. We're worried about cos theta. The x value is cos theta. So r cos theta equals the x value. Now, if I want to find out what cosine of theta is, dividing both sides by r tells me that cos theta is x over r. Now, what else do I know? Well, x is x. That doesn't help me. Ooh! That 2 means I go from the pole here, from the origin, all the way out to 2. That's a radius, which means r is 2. So I can write this guy as cos theta equals x over 2. Now that's what I have so far. Now clearly they want me to do a little bit more explaining, but let's see if we can figure this out. So cos theta equals x over 2, so let's, bookmark that for a second. Cos theta equals negative y over 2. No, that would kind of be like sine, but upside down. Cos theta equals y over 2. No, that would be regular sine. And cos theta equals y over 2. Well, that sure made life easy, didn't it? Now let's try to understand why, just for funsies, because it is the ratio of the horizontal displacement from P to the y-axis to the distance between the origin of P. So what that is saying is since cosine is an x value, right? Cosine gives you that horizontal displacement. Horizontal displacement means how far am I going left to right? So if it gives me an x value, that means we care about horizontal displacement. So whatever x value this is going to give me that. Also, it's the ratio, which means the fraction of the horizontal displacement. So x is the horizontal displacement to the distance between the origin of P. And that's where 2 comes from. So it's the ratio of the horizontal displacement over the ratio, which is 2. So it all kind of connects. Sine would be the ratio of the vertical displacement. And so you would get something like sine of y over 2. But, that's not what we have here. We are dealing with cosine because that's what it asked for. Crazy problem. And if you're wondering, well, what's the point of all this Q stuff? I don't know. I didn't make the problem. Well, actually, I did make the problem. But we didn't have to worry about it because Q didn't matter. Hope this helps.